Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I give you free tips and updates on how you can make massive income for yourself in 2025. As you can see, this is all we have to unlock and start earning money, and this is member list, people that have withdrew successfully in this platform, people that have made money in this platform. So I'll be teaching you on how you can exploit this platform and make massive income for yourself. So quickly, I'll be showing you the VIPs we have in this platform. So these are the VIPs you can subscribe to and start making money for yourself. Remember, the higher VIP you subscribe, the higher income and daily profit you'll be making for yourself. All you just have to do is choose any VIP of your choice and click to unlock. Once you click to unlock, you start making massive income for yourself. As you can see in this VIP, you are making 511 USDT profit for yourself once you invest in this, and you're having 4.20 USDT daily for yourself. For you to subscribe to any VIP in this platform, you have to recharge. Once you click on recharge, it takes you to this interface. This is the interface of you choose the USDT of your choice and you recharge with it. And recharge with it, the money reflects immediately into your dashboard. So this is how you can withdraw the money you have made in this platform. So once you click on withdrawal, it takes you to this interface. Just choose the USDT wallet of your choice, input how much USDT you want to withdraw, input your withdrawal address, your password, and you click on confirm. The money will be withdrawn successfully into your wallet. You can see that it is written here, withdrawal will take 1 to 5 minutes to arrive in your account. So it's very simple and easy to do. You also earn massively in this platform through referring your friends. All you just have to do is copy your referral link and the code and send it to your friends. Once they register with it, you'll be earning commission. You can see in level 1 you are earning 13% commission, level 2 3% commission, level 3 1% commission. So this is what you earn by referring your friends, and you are bagging a lot of money for yourself. So you can also do this without investing, and you are earning money for yourself. So I hope you find this video very helpful, and I hope you really enjoyed it. So please subscribe to our channel, because we'll be sharing amazing updates on how you can earn USDT and bag passive income for yourself in 2025. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.